I am just breaking out like lice in a public school. Starting to break out because A, it's my period, but B, I've been at my parents' house because it's spring break and I just haven't been keeping up on my skincare, so showing you how I tint my eyelashes. I already have the before and after is also going to show my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna film tinting my eyebrows or dyeing my eyebrows because I already have a video up of that on my channel and it would just get kind of repetitive and blah blah blah. So yes, I'm gonna put the stuff on my eyebrows and then I'll be back to do eyelashes. Okay, we're looking a little crazy right now, but obviously the dye's still on my brows, so I'm gonna let that sink in while I do my eyelashes. So I still have some of the mixture left over from my eyebrows, and I had a lot more gray than I did brown. I don't have a black dye. It's not gonna be here in time for before I leave for Mexico. So I am just going to put more of this brown in there since I'd rather have more brown eyelashes than gray. And this will just make it a little darker. The tips of my eyelashes are like blonde, so this will just help them stick out a little more. So I just put some of that in, and now I'm going to put some, I can't pronounce it, but it's an oxidant, and I'm gonna put like 10 or so drops in there just to make a nice paste. And I cleaned my eyelashes, like I just wiped them a little bit with a makeup remover, and now I'm gonna use a spoolie to mix that, so also that stuff gets nice all up in that spoolie, because that's what I'm gonna use to apply to my eyelashes. You can also do the method where you take like a cloth and then you cut it so it forms the bottom of your eyes, and then you just put it on like that. Does that make sense? But I'm gonna do it with a spoolie because if you do it the other way, I'd have to do it one eye at a time so I can actually see what I'm doing. And so yes, I'm just gonna put this through my lashes. This spoolie has a ball on the end of it, but you can use any spoolie. I just find it's pretty easy with the ball because it's just easy to get in there without touching your skin. But if you do touch your skin, I have little Q-tips. So I'm just gonna go in there and get all my lashes. It's okay if they clump together. They're gonna do that. I like dyeing my eyelashes and my eyebrows. One, just because I like how it looks, but also because then I don't have to deal with a bunch of makeup. Or I could just leave the house or whatever. Of course I could leave the house without makeup, but I just like how this looks. And I'm going to be, for those of you that don't know, I'm going out of the country for work, and I just don't want to be fussing with makeup any of the time, and I could just not do this, but I just decided why not. Now that I have the top lashes done, I'm going to move to the bottom, and I'm going to put a cloth underneath it because my bottom eyelashes are really long, and otherwise they will transfer down. We're just gonna let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna try not to move my eyes up and down too much so that they don't transfer everywhere. But during this time, I want to kind of tell you about eyelash tinting and eyebrow tinting and stuff. The stain, you'll see when I take this off of my eyebrows that there's going to be a stain also on my skin, and that stain lasts for about, I'm trying not to just be so expressive, which is hard because I'm an expressive person. The stain lasts for about up to a week, which I really like because that's a whole week of me not having to do my brows at all, because the stain just kind of acts as a fill-in for my brows. And then after that, the tint on the brows and the eyelashes, like the actual hairs, will last up until your next, up until how long it takes for your hair to naturally cycle through. So yes, it lasts a while, and I really like having it done because it's just less that I have to do in the morning, and then I have more time in the morning to sleep. And of course this is gonna be waterproof, budge proof, smudge proof, so I'm pretty set to go for my trip or whatever. Okay, it's been on for a bit now, and I'm gonna start by taking off the eyebrows so the lashes can have just a little while longer. I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and taking that off. You want to make sure if when you're wiping it off you get it anywhere other than your brows, that you kind of get it off quick so it doesn't, you know, stain your skin around your brows. So with these, you're going to want to like take your makeup remover cloth and like pinch around your lashes to get the excess off first so that you're not wiping it out and like getting it in your eyes or anywhere else. So yes, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start with this eye. Actually, probably should start with this one. Okay, now I could go in and wipe the rest off. But yeah, that's what they're looking like. Make sure when you're dyeing, like just like how you would dye your hair, you would want to take care of your eyebrows and eyelashes first. Also, I quickly remember, but this is what I was using. It's the Reflectasil or something like that. Just like you would take care of your hair after dyeing it, you're going to want to take care of your eyelashes and eyebrows. And so I run that moisturizer along my eyebrows and my eyelashes. Also, whenever I put my eye cream on, the Wake the Dead Wide Awake eye cream, I run that on my lashes and eyebrows as well. I really like it. It does a really good job of moisturizing them. You can also use like a jojoba oil or something like that. But yes, just make sure you're taking care of them. So yes. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you're more interested on my eyebrow dyeing tinting routine, I have a video of that on my channel, so go check that out. If you comment during that week I'm gone, I will answer like when I have service again and when I have cell service and internet again. So yes. Also, thank you guys so much for all your help and your tips that you gave me for my trip. So yeah, you guys have just been really helpful, and it means a lot to me that you guys care enough to like spend the time to comment these tips. So thank you guys so much. It means so much to me, and I'll see you when I get back from my trip, I guess. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video if you watch it.